In this video, you will learn how to divide a polynomial by a constant term. In this example, we will divide the polynomial 10x squared subtract 5x plus 15 by the constant term -5. We begin by modeling the divisor -5 coming down the side. So -5 can be modeled using 5 unshaded unit tiles. Now we need to model the dividend, our trinomial, inside the grid. So we need to divide 10x squared among our 5 negative unit tiles. So this will give us two groups of positive 5x squared. So if I put in another group, that'll give us 10x squared all together. I don't need that line. Then we need to model -5x coming down the side, again dividing it among our 5 negative unit tiles. Then we need to model positive 15, splitting it up into 5 groups. So that'll give us positive 5. Another set will give us positive 10. And another set will give us positive 15. So the answer to this division question will be modeled along the top. You need to ask yourself, -1 times what will give you positive x squared? Well, -x squared times -1 gives you positive x squared. Again, -1 times -x squared gives you positive x squared. Now ask yourself, -1 times what gives you -x? Positive x times -1 gives you -x. Then ask yourself, -1 times what gives you positive 1? Well, -1 times -1 gives you positive 1. Again, -1 times -1 gives you positive 1. And finally, -1 times -1 gives you positive 1. So the answer to this division question is modeled across the top. So we have -2x squared plus x subtract 3. In the next example, we will divide the binomial 14x subtract 21 by the constant term -7. So you need to remember that you're dividing both terms in the first polynomial by the constant term -7. So I like to rewrite it this way to remind myself that I'm dividing each of these terms by -7. Like, pay close attention to your signs. 14x divided by -7 is -2x. And -21 divided by -7 is positive 3. So this is our final answer. You may also see a division question written like this. So we need to take the trinomial -36x squared subtract 42x plus 18 and divide each of those terms by positive 6. So again, I'm going to rewrite it like this to ensure I remember to divide each term by the constant term 6. We begin by asking ourselves, what is negative 36x squared divided by positive 6? The answer is negative 6x squared. Then, negative 42x divided by positive 6 is negative 7x, and positive 18 divided by positive 6 is positive 3. This concludes our lesson on dividing a polynomial by a constant term.